The Brent England murder trial wrapped up today, a murder trial with no body to use as evidence. Good evening. I'm Mark Allen.
And I'm Patrice Dayton. Brent England is on trial for the murder of Jack Berry Jr. of Terre Haute. The verdict could come as early as tomorrow.
And while it is unclear what that verdict will be, one thing is clear. It has been a controversial case.
You may have wondered how there can be a trial without the victim's body, but as News 10's Kate Green found out, there is no law stating otherwise. She joins us live in the studio to explain, and it's very interesting. Kate?
Patrice, Mark, it may be unusual for a murder case, but there's no law stating a body is required for conviction. And it may be the first murder trial like this in Vigo County, but it's certainly not the only case this state or the state of Illinois has seen. Here's a breakdown of murder trials where no body was found before the trial. In Indiana, we found 5 past murder trials where the defendant was found guilty, and 2 cases where they were found not guilty. But taking a look at Illinois, we found 6 murder cases with no body, and all 6 defendants were convicted. One of those Illinois cases occurred in Clark County in the 1980s. And Prosecutor Terry Modis says there's no law that requires a body because it simply comes down to whatever evidence convinces the jury.
So there aren't any definite requirements as far as, what the evidence has to be or doesn't have to be, to obtain a conviction.
In fact, prior to October 2009, we found 300 murder trials across the country where a body was never found. And listen to this, only 27 of those cases were dismissed, acquitted, or had the appeal reversed. Mark, back to you.
Interesting. Thank you, Kate. Now, closing arguments for the England trial are scheduled for tomorrow morning. News 10 will be there to bring you the latest developments during our broadcast and on our website, Facebook, and Twitter sites.